Hello dear friends. I've already shown you a suction dust collector for an electric jigsaw. Now I'm going to try to make a dust collector for the drill. Based on a suitably sized scrap of plexiglass, I drew this sketch. While processing the edges of plexiglass, my previous project suddenly had an additional useful feature. I expect that through this plexiglass it will be possible to see the marking of the hole and the drilling process. I drilled large holes in 2 stages so as not to split the plexiglass. At the same time, I drilled a couple more holes in the nozzle for the vacuum cleaner, from which I had previously removed the block with bristles. You can make the frame from any available material, and I used a snip of laminate left over from another project. You can glue the plexiglass to this frame with double-sided tape or contact glue. Sealing tape designed for windows can ensure a good fit of the dust collector to the wall or ceiling. I cut out a polyethylene foam gasket to seal the joint between the plexiglass and the nozzle from the vacuum cleaner. I attached this nozzle to the dust collector with 2 long M3 screws using locking washers. But you can apply any other stopping element, which can be any paint or even nail polish. Two holes in the dust collector were provided in case it was necessary to drill a hole on the edge of the wall. An unused hole will have to be closed with a cork. As expected, atmospheric pressure reliably presses the dust collector to the wall and ceiling. And now let's conduct field tests. So that when drilling holes, the drill does not run away, you should punch small depressions in the tile. Now let's let the dust collector suck on the wall. I recommend that you turn on the punch mode only after you drill through the tile. Well, as you can see, the dust collector successfully sucks up dust. Perhaps now is the time to report that I did not use plastic dowels from the kit of this pen. In their manufacture, not enough plastic was spent, and the screws had a diameter of only 3.5 mm with a dowel diameter of 6 mm. I picked up these more reliable dowels with a diameter of 6 mm and self-tapping screws with a diameter of 5 mm to them. To make it easier to screw in such screws, you can use any thick lubricant. I wish you creative success. See you on the channel.